Hi, hello, welcome to Eagle Health. Veeramash and Ramakrishna's one meal diet. Who have to follow one meal diet and what are the precautions? Let's see what are these. It is suggestible for people who are in excess of 15 to 20 kgs or people who have observed a stuck or a plateau in weight reduction during 2 meal diet. And also you have to see what are the rules of one meal diet. 4 pillars have to be followed at any cost. Solid food should only be taken once in a day. Curry, nuts, seeds, cucumber, carrot and powder, flax and sesame seeds. There should not be a gap of even 5 minutes while taking all of them. You have to take them all together, and please start taking food only after keeping the food allowed in this program ready with you in front of you. You have to take fat in chunks either with green tea, veg soup, non-veg soup, lukewarm water or bulletproof coffee, not more than 20 grams each time in order to maintain good energy levels throughout the day and to avoid vomitings and motions. After having one meal, whenever you feel hungry, you have to take only liquids like soups, buttermilk, green tea, black coffee, bulletproof coffee, etc. but should not take anything that can be chewed. Adoption of liquid diet for 5 days is the only solution in this program if you commit a mistake. This is not a punishment, but this is a remedy to continue the healthier lifestyle process. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe and stay tuned to Eagle Health. Thank you so much.
Welcome to Eagle Health, sir.
Yes, sir.
Like and subscribe Eagle Health and Beauty.